Welcome back to Dr.Battery YouTube channel. In the previous episodes, we got to know the interior of a lithium-ion battery as well as the capacity of it. In today's episode, we will explain the importance of battery cell quality and what problems can occur when the battery cell is made of low-quality materials. As we mentioned in previous episodes, battery cells and other electronic devices work together to ensure it works properly. Battery cells are what power our devices. If the quality of the battery cell is deficient, then this will cause problems like heating, which in turn may lead to severe conditions such as fire or explosion. So, what is a low-quality battery cell? Low-quality battery cells can be identified through two ways: the material used to make them, as well as the manufacturing process. Let's take a look at how we can tell the battery is low quality by looking at these two factors. Firstly, regarding the materials, a typical lithium-ion battery cell consists of 5 different layers. These layers include the anode, cathode, separator, and electrolytes. Any part of these layers are essential for a battery cell to function properly. Another type of battery, polymer batteries, are designed to have an exterior made with a soft metal shell and film. This type of battery tends to expand when it is made up of bad quality materials. Secondly, poor manufacturing has higher chance of incorporating foreign materials into the battery cells, which can increase the probability of the battery having problems like short circuit. Short circuit tends to occur when the anions and the cations in the battery cell attaches to conductive foreign materials and create a current inside the battery cell. This can lead to safety hazards such as explosion or fire. One example of this would be the incident that occurred with the Samsung Note 7 in August 2016. This was caused by short circuit during the manufacturing process. So, the important question is, how can we avoid using low-quality battery cells? First of all, we should always purchase batteries from trusted brands. Not only are they safety tested, but also designed to have more protection to prevent any accidents from occurring. Second of all, make sure that the product is not defective. If you have already purchased a battery and you're wondering how you can check the quality, one way of finding out is to check the full charge capacity and design capacity. Now you may be wondering, how do I do this? Well, fear not, as we got you covered. Just go to our channel and watch episode 3 and 4 of the series. Check them out. Lastly, the price of your battery may tell you the quality of cells. This will be further explained in the next video. So, if you like this video and would like more quality content, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.